Ford has said that they have a feature that changes the off-road game. So today, we're going to put it to the test and see if it's actually game-changing. Hi, I am Nikki with Jess Ford, and thank you for coming to our YouTube channel. So before we get into the testing and seeing if this feature, this game-changing feature is worth it, let's go to the gravel pit where we're going to test and learn a little bit more about this vehicle that I'm driving. So this is a Ford Bronco WILDTRAK, and the WILDTRAK trim is purpose-built for high-speed off-roading, and it definitely looks the part. This specific model is a perfect example of what makes this vehicle so capable right from the factory. One of my favorite things about Broncos is all the aftermarket things that you can do to customize it and make it exactly how you want it. So up front, you get the signature Bronco grille and the steel bumper, which is ready to add on a winch. But the real magic for the WILDTRAK is what's underneath. It comes standard with the Sasquatch package, which just means that you get these massive 35-inch mud terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch beadlock capable wheels. You also get front and rear locking differentials and the Haas 2.0 suspension system. This setup is designed to soak up big bumps at speeds while still giving you incredible articulation on the rocks. You also get the unique WILDTRAK hood graphic, which sets it apart from the other Bronco trims. Under the hood is the standard engine for this trim, which is a 2.7-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. It's pushing out 330 horsepower and a massive 415 torque, all managed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's the perfect powertrain for this kind of application. So inside the WILDTRAK is a perfect blend of rugged and modern. You've got these durable yet comfortable seats, and the entire cabin is designed to be weather resistant. You'll notice the rubberized flooring with drain plugs so you can literally hose it out after a muddy day. Up here on the dash, you have your grab handle and this 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen, which is now standard and gives you access to everything from navigation to your off-road settings. And speaking of off-road, check out this row of hero switches right here on top of the dash. This is where the magic happens for locking your differentials, disconnecting your sway bar, and most importantly for today, engaging something called Trail Turn Assist. So before this video, I ended up taking the top off. Poor mistake because it is 104 degrees out and I'm already sweaty. So bear with me. It's gonna be a hot one. Actually, this is a really good spot to do trail control. Okay, this is kind of perfect timing because as you can see, we have a drop off in front of us. And one of my favorite features of the Bronco is trail control. So basically just think of it as cruise control for very, very slow speeds. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are gonna push this button in the middle and it says use set button for trail control. So what we're gonna do basically, let's go ahead and put it in drive and set it for 1 mile per hour. So I'm not going to be using the brake or gas. And what it does is it controls the speed for me, basically. So we are going downhill at 1 mile per hour. I'm not braking, I'm not pushing on the gas, and it'll maintain whatever speed that you set it to. And we can bump it up, let's say 3 miles per hour or 4. So that way, boom, we're going 4 miles per hour consistently without me having to hit the gas or brake. If you are on trails or you're going downhill and you want to focus more on the steering wheel and driving, definitely use trail control So you don't have to worry about braking or the gas pedal or anything like that. So I'm still using trail control and I've come to a complete stop. Okay, I've hit the brake. If I release the brake, it'll automatically go 1 mile per hour. It will not turn it off like cruise control. If I hit the gas and I speed up, like right now we're going 5, and I take my foot off the gas, it'll go back to 1 mile per hour or whatever you have it set at. So let's talk about trail turn assist. What is it? What does it do? Why do I need it? So in simplest terms, trail turn assist, it locks the rear inside tire when you are turning so that basically your vehicle just pivots. Rather than all wheels turning and you going in a circle, that rear one locks and you pivot around that tire. To use trail turn assist, there are 5 things you need to keep in mind. 1, you need to be going less than 12 miles per hour. 2, the steering wheel needs to be turned literally all the way. You can't even have it a slightest bit unturned. It has to be turned all the way. 3, you have to be in 4 high or 4 low. 4, you have to do it on loose gravel, sand, snow, mud. Do not do it on pavement. It will literally ruin your tires. And 5, you cannot be using your rear locking differentials. They have to be unlocked for this feature to be able to work. So you might be thinking, how are you going to test this? How are you going to measure this? How are you going to know if it actually does turn better than just regular driving? So what we're going to do, we are going to turn in a circle, steering wheel turned all the way. I'll be in 4 high, but I will not have trail turn assist on. And we will measure the diameter from the start or of the circle. We'll measure the diameter of the circle. And then I will turn trail turn assist on and we will do the same. Steering wheel will be all the way turned. I will be in 4 high and we will measure the diameter and compare the two. Now, hear this from me. I have never done this before. I have been in the vehicle with my husband when we used it one time, a couple of videos back when we took an F-150 Tremor into the mountains. And you witnessed that one time we have ever done it. So we've never measured it. I've never tested it. I've personally never used this. So if I can use this, anyone can use this. And let's see how this does. I'm going to pause this video right here and invite you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to get the most out of your Ford vehicle, whether it's new, used, whatever model it is, please consider becoming a member on our YouTube channel. Shout out to right here for our newest member. You won't regret it. It's $1.99 a month. $1.99. What do you got to lose? Let's get back to the video. So the stage is set. We have plenty of very loose gravel to work with. We're going to do the test run first without using trail control and measure it, and I'll get back. Okay, hopefully you can see me. I am in 4 high. Seatbelt on. Put it in drive. Steering wheel turned all the way. Normal driving. Normal driving. There is nothing unique about this. I can see my tire tracks. And we're back to where we started. Let me look at the camera to make sure. Yeah, we're right back where we started. So let's go measure. "27 feet and 10 inches. So now we're going to turn trail control on, do the same exact thing, and then remeasure. Okay, we are in 4 high still. Let's go ahead and turn trail control on, or trail turn assist on, baby. And that is how you know. That is how you know it's on. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and set you up. Boom. Seatbelt on. Trail turn assist is on. Drive. Steering wheel turned all the way. Oh, you can hear it. Oh my gosh. This is a joke. Okay, we are back to where we started. I am in awe. Okay, let's get out here and look at this. You have got to be joking me. Okay, you can see my old marking. And clearly the new. Let's measure this bad boy and see what it is. Okay, I am not fibbing. We are at 13 feet exactly. 13 feet. You know, I'm not too good at math on the spot, but that basically comes out to whatever this percentage is. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. You know, when we tested it in the F-150, all we did was one turn. We didn't do a 360. So to see the perspective with and without trail turn assist in a 360 circle, this is spectacular. Yeah, this is spectacular. Way above and beyond what I actually thought this would do. So the real question why we did this video, does trail turn assist actually work? I hope we're all on the same page here because in my opinion, absolutely. Yes, this is amazing. It is not a gimmick at all. It is definitely what Ford hyped it up to be. I could see this being a genuinely useful tool for off-roaders and any off-road enthusiasts. Definitely useful. So I am glad that we made it through 104-degree temperature video without a roof, without AC. But thank you so much for watching. Honestly, we can't have a YouTube channel without you viewers. If you find these real world testing of vehicles relevant, please like and subscribe. Consider being a member on our YouTube channel. Let us know what you want to see next, and hopefully we will see you next time. Again, I am Nikki with Just Ford. Thank you for tuning in. Don't you dare tell our GMs or owners that I took a dealership vehicle and went off-roading.